guys, so today I've got a mystery box. So this one's from eBay. Someone sent it to me. It has a big picture on the front that says horror box. So the company that does them is called Mysteri-Box, and they've got a Harry Potter box, a Halloween box, this horror box, and apparently there's a Christmas and a Marvel box coming soon as well. And these are £30 per box, and I will put like the link to their eBay and everything down below in case anyone wants to have a look at them. Apparently every box is different, so no two will be the same. So if you order this, you're not gonna probably get the same stuff that's in here. You might get some of the same bits obviously, but like the whole box won't be exactly the same. So it is pretty big, as you can see. And I have opened this already because I'm the most impatient person ever, and I actually really like this box. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So when you open it up, it's got tissue paper in. It's hard to show because it's such a big box, but in here the first thing we've got is this. Now this says Hammer Horror collector's fridge magnet. Like a Dracula, you know, like collector's magnet, which is pretty cool. Then next we have this little pop figure. So it's called a Pocket Pop keychain, Nightmare on Elm Street Freddy Krueger. This is very, very cute. So it's like the little pop Funkos that you can get, but like a little mini keychain Freddy one. Then next we have a film. By the way, these boxes on the listing, like the eBay listing for them, does say that it's 18 plus, like you're supposed to be 18 years old or older to buy them. I'm going to assume that that's maybe because some of the films that they put in there are an 18. This one that I got is a 15, and it's Exorcist the Beginning. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure if I've actually seen this one. It is brand new, it's like sealed and everything. So I'll definitely give it a go sometime, because like I said, I don't think I've seen it, but that's pretty cool. I like that it's sealed, because a lot of the times when you get DVDs in these boxes, they seem to be like pre-owned ones that they've got really cheap somewhere. So at least it's a new one, which is good. Next we have this, which I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a character off something, but it's super cute though. It's like, I don't know, like a little yarn ball animal thing. It has ears and this like heart-shaped arrow, spear? No, a spear, that's what it's supposed to be. And these, I don't know if it's, I guess, supposed to be wings, but he is pretty cute. I have no idea what I'm going to do with him, but I like him. Then next we have this mask, which is a pretty cool replica mask, to be fair. I kind of want to put it on, is that weird? I'm going to put it on. Let's see. Okay, how does this work? Oh, okay. So you can either put it high up or put it low. I'll put it low down actually. I've only got a small head. Okay. Oh wow, this is going to be really attractive. Are you ready? Oh geez. Oh, my eyelashes are like stuck and everything. Nice. This is like, yep. Loving this. Okay. I definitely just got something in my eye doing that, so now I'm crying, which is great. But the next thing in here is a pillow cover. Now, I've got kind of a lot of pillow covers in boxes lately, and I have another box coming soon that has a pillow cover in it as well. I feel like these are kind of a general thing that you seem to get now, but I actually do really like this one. It has horror characters on it, like Chucky, Hellraiser guy, Sam, Texas Chainsaw, all those basically. It is white on that side, but it's pretty cool. So there is that. And then we have a little keyring in here, this little pouch, and it says Mystic, and it has like a Ouija board on it. Like this. It reminds me of one of those photo keychains, you know, like when you go to a nightclub and they take your picture and they put it in here, or if you go on like a theme park ride and they put them in these. It's a cute little thing. And then we have two things left, and I think these things are probably my favourite in the whole box. So the first one is this. This is a necklace, and it's like a, you know, a fake taxidermy sort of, like a skull. Has some like engraving things up here. It's pretty heavy to be fair, and it just looks really cool. Whether I would wear this or not, you know, is a different story. You can either have it really, really long, or you can tighten it so it's like a choker. Oh, I'm making a mess here. But I don't know, I just kind of think it's cool. It is a little bit of a manly necklace maybe, but it's definitely an unusual thing to get in a mystery box, so I actually really like this. So there is that, and then our final item is something that I've never had before, and I kind of am a little bit scared of them, but to get one of these in a mystery box is amazing to me, and that is a Ouija board. So this is my cute new little Ouija board. Am I going to use it? No, probably not, especially not in our house because that's terrifying. But it's really cute, has a little moon up here and a little sun here. And what's this? I can't see. There's like I like a little mystic person down here on both sides. And then it's just got the generic, you know, yes, no, letters, numbers, goodbye kind of thing. And then the planchette is this little heart. Now, I'm not necessarily sure they kind of go together, and it does squeak a little bit, which would be really creepy if you were actually doing it as a Ouija board with it squeaking away, but it is really, really cute though, and I love that this came from a mystery box. Like, that's probably one of the coolest things I think that I've ever got in a horror mystery box, so I definitely liked this. So yeah, like I said, I will put the link for them down below on their eBay and everything, and I think they've got a Facebook page too, so I'll put that as well. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway, and if you did, then please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.